We're in Tokyo today for the Sustainability Awards. I'm presenting a project which is about saving water, basically. And we are installing a network of digital meters so that they can have accurate data on the water consumption. For our clients, we have implemented a private LoRaWAN network. So it's a long-range, high bandwidth network, and it makes sure that sensors in our consumers' basements can send a signal once per day for the coming 15 years, so that we have accurate data every day about their water consumption. We can save a lot of water because actually 25% of the produced water is leaking into the ground. We know it, but we can't find the leaks. And with accurate data, we're able to find the leaks and solve them before it becomes a problem. The water loss in a country like France would make up for the water needs in the Netherlands. So that's how much water just gets lost. So the network is about 4,000 kilometers, square kilometers wide, and we only use a limited number of antennas. So that's very specific about LoRaWAN. It's very long range. So with not so many antennas, you can cover a very large area. It's saving about 1 million cubic meters of water a day, and that's just for one part of Belgium. So we can do that worldwide, and that's what it's basically learned us, that the potential is huge. This is not a research project. It's already a project that has gained us a lot of traction in the markets. So we're actually, for the past 2 years, rolling out this project, and there's many more years and many more regions and prefectures to follow, maybe even in Tokyo.